Hi, friends. I am Diana. Welcome to my home. Let's explore the house and meet all the things inside. Repeat after me. Let's go to the living room. This is a door. Door. Say door. This is a mat. Mat. Say mat. This is a sofa. Sofa. Say sofa. This is a clock. Clock. Say clock. This is a table. Table. Say table. This is a television. Television. Say television. This is a chair. Chair. Can you say chair? This is a switch. Switch. Say switch. This is a fan. Fan. Can you say fan? This is a flower pot. Flower pot. Say flower pot. This is a window. Window. Say window. This is a bag. Bag. Can you say bag? This is a book. Book. Say book. These are crayons. Crayons. Say crayons. This is a ball. Ball. Say ball. These are shoes. Shoes. Say shoes. This is a lock. Lock. Say lock. This is a key. Key. Say key. Let's go to the bedroom. This is a bed. Bed. Say bed. This is a blanket. Blanket. Say blanket. This is a pillow. Pillow. Say pillow. This is a wardrobe. Wardrobe. Say wardrobe. This is a comb. Comb. Can you say comb? This is a towel. Towel. Say towel. This is a lamp. Lamp. Say lamp. This is a toothbrush. Toothbrush. Say toothbrush. This is a toothpaste. Toothpaste. Say toothpaste. This is a bucket. Bucket. Say bucket. This is a bath mug. Bath mug. Say bath mug. This is a tap. Tap. Say tap. This is a shower head. Shower head. Say shower head. This is a soap. Soap. Can you say soap? Let's go to kitchen. This is a refrigerator. Refrigerator. Say refrigerator. This is a stove. Stove. Say stove. This is a pan. Pan. Can you say pan? This is a cooking pot. Cooking pot. Say cooking pot. This is a plate. Plate. Say plate. This is a bowl. Bowl. Say bowl. This is a spoon. Spoon. Say spoon. This is a cup. Cup. Say cup. This is a bottle. Bottle. Can you say bottle? This is a stool. Stool. Can you say stool?
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for leaf. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for pigeon. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sparrow. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.
One, two, three, come sing along, counting numbers in our song. 4, 5, 6, let's clap again. We'll count together 1 to 10. 1 is the sun up in the sky. 2 little birds go flying by. 3 red apples on the tree. Count them all. 1, 2, 3. 4 balloons go floating high. 5 bright stars that light the sky. 6 little ducks that like to swim. 7 rainbows shining bright. 8 sweet cookies, what a sight. 9 green frogs that jump again. 10 big friends all shout yay 10. 1 to 10 we've learned today. Numbers help us laugh and play. Wave goodbye, we'll count once more. 1, 2, 3 and out the door.
Look around, what do you see? Colors shining bright with me. Red and yellow, green and blue. Come and learn the colors too. Red is apples, red is roses. Red is on your happy noses. Clap your hands and shout out loud. Red is bright, it makes us proud. Colors, colors, sing along. Paint the world with happy song. Shiny, bright and fun to see. Colors make the world love, love. Yellow sunshine, warm and sweet. Bananas make a tasty treat. Daffodils that dance and play. Yellow makes a sunny day. Blue's the sky so high and wide. Blue are waves we love to ride. Blue balloons that fly away. Blue is calm in every way. Green is grass beneath our feet. Crunchy veggies we can eat. Trees and leaves that swish and sway. Green brings life in every way. Red and yellow, green and blue. Orange, purple, pink shine too. Mix them up and you will see rainbow shining happily. Colors, colors, sing along. Paint the world with happy song. Shiny, bright and fun to see. Colors make the world love, love. Everywhere that we can go. Colors make the whole world glow. Colors make the world love, love.
Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Come and meet my family. This is Mommy, bright and sweet, cooking yummy things to eat. She can dance and she can sing. Mommy makes the house go ding, ding, ding. Family, family, clap and play. We love each other every day. Big or small, come join the fun. Family time for everyone. This is Daddy, strong and tall. He can catch me when I fall. He can build and fix all day. Daddy loves to laugh and play. This is Sister, full of cheer. She is the sweetest voice I hear. Painting quiet and climbing sky. Tag your itch, she laughs with glee. Family, family, clap and play. We love each other every day. Big or small, come join the fun. Family time for everyone. Grandma tells her tales so sweet. Candy, hugs, and tasty treats. Grandpa sings a happy tune. We all clap beneath the moon. Family, family, clap and play. We love each other every day. Big or small, come join the fun. Family time for everyone. Family, family, sing with me. We are happy as can be. Ding dong bell, it's time to go. School is where we learn and grow. Grab your bag and sing with me. School is fun for you and me. This is teacher, kind and wise. Smile so bright with twinkling eyes. She can read and she can write. Learning with her feels so right. School, school, hip hooray. We love learning every day. Read and write, sing and play. School is fun in every way. Meet our friends both big and small. Running, laughing down the hall. Sharing books and crayons too. Smiling faces, me and you. This is Principal Smart and Neat. Welcomes us when we all meet. Claps his hands and says with cheer, happy learning kids this year. Swings that soar and slides that glide. Friends all playing side by side. Hop and jump and skip and run. Playground time is so much fun. School, school, hip hooray. We love learning every day. Read and write, sing and play. School is fun in every way. Books and pencils, friends so cool. We all love our